Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul English Lab. This is a vocabulary video and today I'll give you some really good advanced English words that can replace your boring and common English words. So please watch this video till the end because this video will actually enhance your vocabulary tremendously and will help you to sound smart and confident. Before going ahead, please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab and don't forget to press the bell icon also. Now let's get started. First word is dirty. When something is really dirty, then in place of dirty you can use two words. One is filthy and the second word is scummy. Filthy, scummy. She lives in a scummy part of town. This means that she lives in a dirty part of town. This place looks filthy. Can you please clean it up? This place looks dirty. Can you please clean it up? So this way, in place of dirty, you can use filthy or scummy. Next is clean. When something is extremely clean, then in place of clean, you can use flawless, spotless or immaculate. Now let's look at some examples. They have an immaculate garden. This means they have a very clean garden. Immaculate. They have an immaculate garden. She has a flawless skin or a spotless skin where there is no flaw, where there is no spot on her skin. So this means that he has a very clean skin. Now next is when something is very easy. Then in place of easy, we can use effortless. It was an effortless task. Effortless. There are two good idioms that you can use in place of very easy. First is a walk in the park. Second is a piece of cake. This is a piece of cake for me. This means that it's very easy for me. Or it's a walk in the park for me. So this means that it's very easy for me. So a walk in the park, a piece of cake and effortless. Next is wet. So in place of wet, you can use two words. One is soaked and second one is drenched. Soaked and drenched. This means thoroughly wet, completely wet. I am drenched because it's raining outside. This means I am thoroughly wet. I am completely wet because it's raining outside. I fell in a stream and I was soaked. I was drenched. This means I was completely wet. So this way, when you are completely wet or thoroughly wet, then you can use drenched or soaked. There is one idiom that you can also use. Soaked to the skin. This means again entirely wet. I'm soaked to the skin because it's raining outside. Next is friendly. So in place of friendly, you can use the words cordial, amiable and affable. She seems to be an amiable young girl. This means she seems to be a friendly young girl. What kind of relationship you guys have? We have a cordial relationship. We have a friendly relationship, a cordial relationship. How is she? She is quite affable. This means she is quite friendly. So this way, in place of friendly, you can use cordial, amiable and affable. Next is lazy. In place of lazy, you can use the word indolent. Indolent. They are indolent. This means they are very lazy. You can also use the words slothful and sluggish. This also means lazy. That trip made me slothful because it was really tiring. So it made me lazy. The trip made me slothful. Since morning, Max has been feeling sluggish and tired. This means he has been feeling lazy and tired. Maybe he's not well. So in place of lazy, you can use indolent, slothful and sluggish. Next is angry. When someone is very angry, extremely angry, then in place of angry, you can use the words furious, enraged and infuriated. Furious, enraged and infuriated. My mom was really furious because I didn't reach home on time. You can also use infuriated in this sentence. My mom was infuriated because I didn't reach home on time. This means my mom was very angry. An enraged bull attacked a man. So an angry bull attacked a man. Enraged. So in place of angry, you can use enraged, infuriated and furious. Next is stupid. In place of stupid, you can use the words foolish, idiotic and half-witted. It was an idiotic remark, or it was a half-witted remark, or a foolish remark. So in place of stupid, you can use idiotic, foolish and half-witted. He has a half-witted sense of humor or a foolish sense of humor. And the last one is dry. When a field is dry or the ground is dry because of heat, sun and lack of water, or the climate is dry, then we can use the words arid, parched and sun-baked. The land was parched, or parched fields, sun-baked fields. It means that the fields are dry because of heat and sun and lack of water. These creatures can't survive in an arid climate, means these creatures can't survive in a very dry climate. So this way, in place of dry, you can use arid, parched or sun-baked. So that's all for today. I have given you really good words. Now start using them in your day-to-day conversation and try to make some more sentences with these words. And you can always share those sentences with me in the comment section. Please practice and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab and press the bell icon for future notification. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day.